police, fire, and medical. Okay, what's going on?
It looks like an ordinary office building, desks with monitors, busy workers answering endless calls.
Oh, well, I mean, everything really happens in seconds.
This dispatch center in Omaha, Nebraska is pretty typical of those around the nation.
About 200 each of us. The most has been like 260, 270 calls per person.
Kristen Avant is a 911 operator, the first person callers hear. The callers usually need help from firefighters, medical assistants, or police.
A simple emergency where it can be done in 30 seconds to a minute. All that information is obtained, and as soon as the operator is talking, they're typing. As soon as they're typing, the dispatcher can already read that information. So calls can go very fast.
Operators stay on the line, while dispatchers get in touch with a fire brigade or ambulance.
The call is going to be presented on a computer screen, and the first thing that I need to do is find which officers I have available, and based on the way that they're assigned to their geographical area, which officers would be the closest to respond to a situation.
Sometimes police are needed, and operators keep talking to the caller until officers arrive.
If there's a burglary in progress, like someone's breaking into their house and they're in the house, like you try and keep them on the phone so you can direct them when the police get there so they know what the officers want them to do.
It can be a stressful and emotionally draining job, particularly if help does not arrive in time.
Car got rear-ended, like on a highway somewhere, I can't remember where exactly, and by a big truck. And the car started on fire, and it was two people trapped inside. They couldn't get out because of the way the car was impacted from the truck, and you could just hear them screaming on the open line.
Psychological help is available when operators need it. Operators say the job is tough but rewarding.
Now that's something that I could do, the challenge of it, but the reward at the end.
Operators and dispatchers work 8-hour shifts to make sure they cover all day and all night, because they say emergencies are never welcome and never predictable. For Lesia Bakalets in Nebraska, narrates VOA News.